Hi everyone, welcome to today's quick tutorial on how to apply your Temu credit. It's super easy, so let's dive right in. First, open your browser and go to temu.com. Log in to your Temu account by clicking on login at the top right corner of the page, then entering your credentials. Now, browse through the products and add your desired items on the shopping cart. Once you're ready, click on the shopping cart icon and go to the checkout. At checkout, you'll see a section for Temu credit. If you have any credits available, simply select it or enter a promo code to apply your credit towards your purchase. Once your credit is applied, review your updated total and click confirm to complete your purchase. And that's it, you successfully applied your Temu credit to your order. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick tips. Happy shopping with Temu.